Hello there, and welcome to this video 008 where we're looking at de facto and open standards. Before you start watching this video, I highly suggest you go back and watch video 007, which the link is below. This gives you background information on two different types of standards which could be used in today's video. So in today's video we are quite simply looking at de facto standards, and we're also going to be looking at open standards and how they can be used. De facto standards are a way of doing something which are becoming more and more common until they are the accepted way of doing something. So for example, a de facto standard for writing a letter would be starting it with dear and then the person's name. It's become more and more common until it is the set way to do something. So for example, here we've got a couple of examples. Car layout has become more and more common. So for example, if you've got your steering wheel in front of you, your horn's in the middle because that's the place where it normally is in the majority of cars. If we're thinking about a computer science perspective on things, PDFs became a proprietary standard for sending around different things such as invoices, different documents, different reports, different contracts. But it's become so common to be able to send a PDF or email something as a PDF, it's become a de facto standard. It's become the set way of doing something. If we look at open standards, these are standards which are publicly available, and with these standards anyone can use them, anyone can modify them, and they can basically do what they want with them. And we've got some examples here. So for example, we've got C# is an open standard for the use of creation of computer games. We've got HTML, TCP/IP. These are standards which anyone can use, anyone can access, anyone can take control of. And what this means is I can go and then create a web page using HTML because it's an open standard. It is something which I can then use to create something and go further. TCP/IP can be used if I decide to create a new way of transferring data, because TCP/IP is a standard which is the backbone of how we use the internet, how we use networks. As always, we've got a couple of exam questions here for you, so feel free to click pause and have a go at them. And let's have a look at some answers. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in a future video. Goodbye.